Mastering debates. Organizing arguments and counterarguments. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of debates and discussions. We will be focusing on a key skill: structuring a persuasive argument. More specifically, we'll look at how to effectively organize arguments and counterarguments. This skill will not only make your arguments more persuasive but will also significantly improve your English speaking and listening abilities. So, let's jump right in. To organize your arguments and counterarguments effectively, you first need to understand what they are. An argument presents a viewpoint with reasons and evidence, while a counterargument is a viewpoint that opposes your argument, again backed up with reasons and evidence. It's crucial to address counterarguments to strengthen your argument and demonstrate an understanding of multiple perspectives. Start by clearly stating your viewpoint or thesis statement. This forms the base of your argument. Next, support your viewpoint with well-researched evidence, making sure to communicate these points in a logical order. For example, you might choose to go from your strongest to weakest arguments, or vice versa, depending on the situation. Always remember, each point you make should be backed by evidence and should contribute to proving your overall argument. Clarity and coherence are key here. After you've laid out your arguments, it's time to introduce your counterarguments. Doing so shows that you understand different viewpoints and are not blindly arguing your point. Start by stating the counterargument, then immediately refute it with logic or further evidence. This refutation will often involve showing how the counterargument relies on incorrect information or faulty logic. When you're refuting counterarguments, it's crucial to do so respectfully and logically. You can use phrases like, "while some people might believe," or, "it's a common misconception that." Then, present your refutation. Make sure to keep the tone respectful and neutral, even when you're passionately disagreeing with a point. The aim here is to persuade, not to alienate your audience. And that's it. That's how you structure persuasive arguments and counterarguments. Remember, effective debating is all about presenting your ideas in a clear, logical manner while addressing and respectfully disagreeing with opposing viewpoints. Keep practicing, and you'll become more proficient in your English debating skills. I hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one, where we'll continue to hone our English language skills together. Happy learning!